From their tree climbing abilities to extraordinary hearing, there are plenty of interesting facts to learn about the woodpecker family. Woodpecker prefer dead trees. Woodpeckers are found nearly everywhere. Woodpeckers have strong head muscles. Woodpeckers drill holes depending on their size. Woodpeckers use their bills for drilling and drumming. Woodpecker, listen for the sounds of insects crawling and chewing in the wood of a tree before using their strong, sharp bills to capture their prey. Woodpeckers have adapted to cling to trees. To reach deep into crevices in search of grubs, ants, and sap, a woodpecker's tongue can be up to a third of its total body length, so long that when it's retracted, it coils around the back of the bird's skull. Woodpeckers fly in an undulating pattern similar to that of goldfinches. In North America, the downy is the smallest and most widespread woodpecker. The largest is the pileated woodpecker. Ivory-billed woodpeckers are bigger, but are considered to be extinct. Woodpeckers are primarily cavity nesters that excavate their own nest spots in dead or dying trees. The cavities will usually hold 3 to 6 eggs, and both parents tend the young birds. Woodpeckers sleep in cavities throughout the year. Woodpeckers have unique feet. Males and female woodpeckers look different. Woodpeckers eat insects. Woodpeckers are found all over Europe and Asia. The woodpecker has a widespread family comprising approximately 230 species. In some places, woodpeckers are associated with bad luck and death.